Hello everybody and welcome back to our Joyfull Noyes game review. It's been a while since we've done this, but we have a brand new game that we want to introduce today. This game is called Flash, the lightning fast game. And this is actually a very fast-paced game. And it consists of about 6 different pairs of different colored dice.
Because 6 people can play it at once.
That's right.
It's got to be at least 2 players going, though.
Okay, and if you look over here, there are 6 tiles, each the numbers 1 through 6. Okay, and so these are called the flash tiles. So what you do is, the object of this game is, this is actually very similar to Yahtzee. But what you have to do is you have these different combinations, and the object is to be the one with the most number of points. Now, it's not exactly like Yahtzee, because in Yahtzee you just want to try to get one of every combination. First one to do that wins. But with this one, you actually, it depends not only on getting all of them, because you're all doing it at the same time, but what you have to do is you have to also have the highest score. Now, here's how it works. Just for an example, there's different choices here. 6 of a kind, 3 pairs, all even.
Get your dice
4
ready.
of a kind plus a pair, all odds. 2 3 of a kind, a straight, and what's called a flash. Now, these
And that's
dice,
just all ones. Instead of a 1.
These dice do not have a 1 on them, unlike regular die. These have a lightning bolt. That's called a flash. So that's actually the hardest one to get, because getting 6 of a kind has better odds than just getting a particular 6 of a kind. The odds on that is about 1 in over 45,000. So
It takes a while.
So that's a chance of rolling them all on the first die. Now, what happens though is you can just keep rolling the remaining die until you get that. If you are the first one to get what you've called in advance, so for example, if I say I'm going to get 3 pairs, and then let's say Ella says I'm going to get a flash, and let's say Kara says she's going to go for a straight. We have to announce that at the beginning. And then if I'm the first one to get my pre-called choice, then I get 6. Okay?
And whoever gets there second gets 5 and 4.
And
all right.
Now,
so great.
Now, because there's only 3 of us playing, you actually have up to 6 people playing. There's also die for 1, 2, and 3, these tiles. So if there were 6 people playing, then it would also be 3 would be 4th place.
So you keep
2
going
would go
until
up to 5th
you
place,
achieve
and last place would go 1.
what you said you were going to get.
And at the end of the game, you add all the scores together, and then whoever has the highest score wins.
Let's do a practice round, okay? So, Ella, what are you going to go for?
I'm going to go for a straight.
Straight? What are you going to go for?
I'm going to go for all even.
I'm going to go for all odds. One-handed, which is much harder. All right, the faster you can roll dice, the better you'll be at Flash. All right, so get ready. We're not going to grab the tiles too much because of the filming process, but ready, start shaking them, set, go.
Okay, so
should have gone for odds.
Okay, I've got 3 6s and a 4. I'm going to keep rolling. And I'm going to need an even. Flash. I'm the first one, so I get the 6.
Flash.
Okay, Kara just called her flash. You call flash when you reach your number.
All right, so that was one round. Greg would have written down 6 points. I would have written down 5, and Ella written down 4. So on a scale of 1 to 10, because I like it, it's very fast-paced and fun, I would give it a 9 out of 10, maybe 9.5. What about you, Ella? How would you rate this game on a scale of 1 to 10?
Give it a 10 and a 9.5, because the problem is, for younger children, it's harder for them to roll because their body can only move so fast.
Right, and by the way, you're at a disadvantage if you knock one down on the floor, which we did. Greg, how would you rate it on a score of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest?
I'd rate it about a 9 because it is very fast-paced. Like you said, you can. I've actually done it a couple times in previous practice rounds. You roll it on the floor, and everybody else keeps playing. The game doesn't stop. That's the only concern I have. It is a fun game. I would recommend it. It's
like a super fast version of Yahtzee where everybody's going at the same time. Blah! So enjoy Flash. This is the Joyfull Noyes Gaming Channel saying ciao for now.
Ciao.